Hey, September 5th. Guess what we're doing? Yes, sir. Guess where we're at? Yes, sir. Here at the cabin this weekend. Doing a little work. Thought I'd show my new project. Deer feeder repair. You wouldn't believe how much 10-foot 4x4s cost. $25 a piece, man. That's outrageous. $25 for a 4x4. Well, anyway, get on the show. I'm going to show you my notch I made. And you'll see why in a minute. I'm going to do a quickie here. And I've been working all morning around here cleaning up. I got a new improved Moultrie feeder controller. Check this bad boy out. And it was cool. The mount holes are the same as my old one. Saved me a little bit of work, but the barrel is homemade, by the way. This is a Williams custom. You'll probably see why them 4x4s are notched the way they are. 2.5 by 2.5. Yes, sir. You'll be seeing this bad boy in action this weekend, hopefully. Hopefully we all are. But I built this thing. I even built a homemade funnel for it. This drum is probably about 5 years old. Holds a little bit over 300 pounds of corn. Yep. Guess what? The artwork's by me too. But I just thought I'd show it off. We'll see how she looks here in a little while. This is getting a little long. But that's the new Moultrie game feeder. I'll give it a title so maybe people will see it in action. Yep, that's it. I'll show you more later. Y'all have a good weekend.